Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to enter bank transactions in QuickBooks Online manually using a simple and effective approach. Bank deposit differences often happen when transactions are missing or entered incorrectly. The best way to fix this is by ensuring all required details are properly recorded in the system. First, log into your QuickBooks account and make sure you're working on the correct company file. Next, go to the top right corner and tap on the Plus New button. From there, choose the type of transaction you want to create. This could be a bank deposit, sales receipt, or any relevant option depending on your situation. After selecting the appropriate option, you'll need to carefully enter the necessary details. Start by adding the customer or payee name. Then, select the correct payment account where the money was deposited. Make sure the balance reflects the actual amount from your bank statement. You should also include the correct payment date and choose the payment method, such as cash, bank transfer, or check. These details are important because they help QuickBooks accurately match your records with your bank activity. Next, move to the Category section and fill in all the required fields. This ensures the transaction is properly classified in your financial reports. Double-check everything before saving to avoid further discrepancies. By entering accurate and complete information, you can easily resolve most bank deposit differences and keep your books in order. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.